workshop's a rockin', don't come a knockin'. Tool Talkin.
A Wowwy'z workshop.
Brothers will have vision.
What up, my friends and family? Welcome back to the workshop. And I am out here, sorry for yelling, it's because of the GD construction. But we got to do a little mini tool talking today, guys, because I'm getting set up to do the W.I.P Wednesday live feed in there. And it gets hot. It gets really, really hot when I'm all closed up in there and doing my thing. So I got this baby, the DeWALT DCE512B. Now this is part of the 20 volt tool family that I recently got introduced to. And so yeah, when I'm in there, I got too many cords and stuff already that I'm dealing with. It's too much. I just want a little fan that I can move around. I can bring it to other places during the summer because it does get out here on the island. So we're gonna open this bad boy so I can have it set up for today. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you at the end. There's a mountain of stuff on the workbench there. A mountain of yellow. Why?
DeWALT Day
Is on its way. That's right, folks. DeWALT Day. It's going to be a Tool Talkin extravaganza where I go through a whole bunch of tools. We unbox, we do honest reviews. It's going to be darn tootin', as I say. So let's get into this. I was going to see shorts have a 3-minute minimum, so I was going to see if I could do this in 3 minutes. But if not, I'll be posting it later. Okay, here it is. Now there's instructions there. I call those instructions for the, if all goes wrong, then I go to the instructions, right? Jeez. Here it is. It's a good looking unit. Seems sturdy. You gotta love that black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. All right, well, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Prepare for some air. That is in. And it said that I got full bars of battery power. So, let's just do it. Oh, she's going. Oh, she blows nice. Holy smokes, guys. That is awesome. That is just perfect for in there. So, I'll get you out of the overhead and show you what's to come. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I've been saving. And I've been saving up my gift cards that family's been giving me. Whoa, yeah. It's coming. DeWALT Day is on its way. Much love.
My two brothers will